So just taking a quick look at Shib on the daily time frame. Everyone has been telling me and asking me to do a look at Shib on the daily time frame. So here we are, looking very, very interesting indeed. This chart is absolutely mad, isn't it, to be honest? You can see we had that clear, huge previous bull market. We've come down, obviously 95% correction like you do for most cryptos. We're down here, what we're looking at, 94% correction at that low. We come down to that low of, I can't even tell you what these numbers are, to be honest. So I'm just going to say we come down to that 546 level there, as you can see, which is the swing low of the bear market. And then since then, we've had a very, very comfortable almost 10x off that low, haven't we? Which is really interesting to see. Obviously, meme coins have been absolutely pumping over the past week or so. Bitcoin just shaving its all-time high yesterday. Ethereum just continuously pumping, and large caps looking pretty bullish as well. So it's no surprise then that meme coins have finally started to move. You could probably consider Shib and Doge to be large caps, can't you? Considering they're in the billions and billions of market cap. I think they're both around 25 billion right now. Shib looking like it could potentially overtake Dogecoin in market cap, which would be an interesting flippening. Let me know in the comments down below what you think would happen if in the meme coin space if that happened. But as we can see, sitting at around that 4082 level right now, around an 8x from that low. And looking extremely, extremely bullish. I mean, it just completely ripped through all the resistances there. Completely, absolutely ripped through all the Fibonacci levels like they weren't even there. You can see this 038 level, which coincided nicely actually with these previous levels. Completely ripped through that. The 050 gone. The 0618 gone as well. And we almost made it to the 078 in the space of a week, which is absolutely nuts to me, considering the size of this coin as well. But as you can see right now, looking extremely, extremely overbought. We're at 90, 97, 98.5 in terms of the RSI in the overbought territory. So obviously we could see a huge correction for this at any point. If Bitcoin does start to pull back from the all-time high and come down for a retrace, we could easily see this fall by 50, 60% from where it is now back into this area here, in my opinion. This is looking extremely, extremely volatile. Going to the upside, so we could easily get some big red dildos as well to the downside. But overall looking ridiculous right now. We could easily see this continue if we do see Bitcoin breaking all-time high and looking strong. Ethereum looking really strong right now as well. But man, the extension of this right now, you couldn't really justify buying this at all, in my opinion, at this level. It just seems extremely likely to me that you'll see a pullback where you could see yourself entering a bit better down here somewhere, perhaps, if you wanted to buy this crypto. Looking ridiculous right now, and I think other meme coins are benefiting from this pump at the minute as well. Let's see what we can do. As I said, if Bitcoin retraces, we're going to see a big pullback for this, in my opinion. If Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, we could see a bit more of a grind to the upside. But, I mean, this is just looking absolutely insane, isn't it? The sheer parabola of it. If this continues again for another day like this, and we get to the all-time high, there is going to be some crazy chopping around, in my opinion. The halving is really soon for Bitcoin. Let's see what we can do. This is looking spicy. Let's get into it.